Welcome everyone to another sound light activation. So I invite you to take some time out now. I'm going to play the 13 crystal bowls and the golden rainbow gong made of titanium for about 10 minutes, but I'll just speak a little to begin with to bring us into a state of presence, meditation, peace. So I invite you to take some deep and gentle breaths, or else come back to this later, save this for later. Really feeling into your body and welcoming yourself exactly as you are, with all your thoughts, feelings, emotions, body sensations, as we get ready for this sound light activation. And when I play the sounds, it's either good to be sitting in like a meditation posture with your spine aligned or lying down. The most important thing is to be comfortable and to be kind to yourself. So really taking this time for you. So taking these deep and gentle breaths, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And letting your breath breathe you. This is the miracle of life. And we are all connected through the air. We all breathe the same air. And prayers for our air to become clean and clear again, for our waters, for our food, for our soil, for our earth. Perhaps sense, visualize, imagine you're seeing our earth from afar, this beautiful blue-green planet, and sending love, healing, golden light. Our intentions, our prayers are powerful. So as you're breathing in and out, imagine, sense, visualize you are under a column of golden light coming from our sun, connected to the central sun in our galaxy. We are surrounded by millions, billions of stars all around, which we only see at night. But feeling the energy of the sun, connecting us, activating our energy centers, and then going deep into the earth. And then feel the energy from the earth coming up through your body as we activate ourselves as conduits between heaven and earth, our knowing of ourselves as multidimensional sacred beings. And today I'd like to bring our awareness to the infinity of nature. We are part of nature. Whether you are in a city, somewhere where there's a lot of concrete around you, or whether you are in nature or forest, we are nature. So I invite you, however much or however little there is around you, to remember that you are nature and to connect with the beauty of the earth, of the sun, the moon, water, rivers, the life all around us. And within us, in each cell in our body, we actually hold the infinity of nature. So really tuning into our life force energy, our chi, our prana. There's different words for it, and some science doesn't even acknowledge it. But of course that's pretty crazy, becoming evident these days. The life force, the chi, the prana, is what animates life, connects life, and we are part of life. And when we tune into that creative spark, the infinity of nature, we become more aligned. Just taking a walk outside in a park or a forest, we see the infinity and the interconnectivity of so much life that we can't even begin to work it out or name everything or categorize everything. It's beyond. It's really, really powerful to come back to that place of reverence. And also, if we are sick, remembering the infinity of nature in every cell in your body and the integrity of life. Love life. The body loves to heal. So that's just that reminder. And I invite you to take some time in nature today, however that is for you, wherever you are, whatever your schedule is, and send you much, much love. And now I begin to play the sounds, which also integrates this energy and helps activate the light and the life force in every cell in our bodies. thank you so much, everyone, and wishing you a beautiful week. And I invite you to tune into the infinity of nature within you and all around you. And have a beautiful week. Next Wednesday I will be in England, so it might just be me and a meditation. But please have a beautiful week and much, much love. Thank you, thank you.